Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to sign up for Amazon affiliate program. First go to Google, search for Amazon Associates and click on the first link you see. If you sign up through amazon.com, you'll be promoting products for the US store. If you want to promote products from other countries like the UK or India, you'll need to sign up separately for their local Amazon affiliate programs. Once you're on the Amazon Associates page, click Sign Up and start filling out your information. You'll need to provide your name, address, and a valid phone number. Then you must link to a website or social media account like a YouTube channel or Instagram page. Make sure your account has some content on it. You'll also need to confirm that your content is not aimed at children under 13 years old. After that, choose a store ID name, agree to the terms, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Finish. Amazon will review your application, and you must make at least one sale within 180 days to keep your account active. After signing up, go to the Tools tab and enable SiteStripe. This will add a toolbar on the Amazon website, making it easy to create affiliate links. To get a link, just search for a product on Amazon, click Get Link from the SiteStripe bar, and copy your special link. You can share this link on your website, blog, YouTube channel, or social media. When people click your link and make a purchase, you'll earn a commission.